So what is IBPS exam? Well, IBPS stands for Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, which is an autonomous agency in India, and since 2011, the sole purpose of IBPS is to conduct common written examination, that is also known as CWE, every year for the post of clerks, probationary officers, management trainees in about 20 public sector banks and 82 regional rural banks or RRBs. Also, exam is conducted for the post of specialist officer every year. The bank participating in IBPS are Allahabad, Andhra Bank, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, and a whole lot of other banks. You can see the list here. Only State Bank of India or SBI conducts its own examination for the bank clerical and PO post. Eligibility criteria for IBPS clerk: number 1, a graduation degree in any stream. Number 2, a diploma or degree in computer or must have computer or IT subject in high school or college. Number 3, you should be fluent in the official language of the state where you want to apply for the job. Age limit for the general is 20 to 28 years. For OBC, there is a 3 years relaxation. For ST/ST, there is a 5 years relaxation. For PWD, 10 years relaxation. Eligibility criteria for IBPS bank PO is: number 1, only Indian citizens can apply. Number 2, at least a bachelor degree in any discipline. Age limit is for general is 20 to 30 years. For OBC, 20 to 33 years. For SC/ST, 20 to 35 years. For PWD, 20 to 40 years. The bank recruitment process consists of 2 stages. Number 1 is CWE online exam, that is common written examination, which is conducted online, and the second phase is common interview for the bank jobs. Now for the exam, the cutoff is calculated at 2 stages. First is on standard score in individual tests, and number 2 on total weighted standard score. This means that if a candidate scores the minimum cutoff in each of the individual tests but does not clear the minimum overall cutoff, then he or she is not qualified. Now the second phase consists of common interview. IBPS has now introduced a system of common interviews. Candidates who apply in IBPS will be called for a common interview which will be coordinated by IBPS. Important note regarding the common interview. There will not be any common interview for the recruitment of RRB. Each of the RRB will announce the vacancy separately, and then the candidates need to apply for the bank for which they are eligible as per the criteria announced by the bank. Scorecard will be issued to the candidates who secure minimum qualifying marks in each of the test areas, that is sessional cutoff, and also clear the overall cutoff as fixed by the IBPS. The scorecard issued by the IBPS will be valid for 1 year from the date of the issue of the scorecard. Candidates can appear in subsequent examinations to enhance their score if they want.